in the class because we started in the same class, and just over the time being out on the training grounds and everything, just got to know each other better and came up with the idea. It's like, yep, let's team up and do it.
I think going on the road as a team is a perfect thing, especially if you can find somebody while you're attending school that you're a match, that you get along with. It's something that will make your transition and your trips a lot easier and more fun. So I think having a partner and a team member with you on board, I think is a great idea.
Yeah, definitely. Like if you have an idea of someone from your class, for example, and everything, definitely get to know them, like the ins and outs, because it's always better to kind of be on you have to be on the same page. Otherwise, it's not going to work out, out on the road, because you're going to be in a confined space. So you want to make sure that you're with the right person. So.
Yeah, I completely agree. If you're able to find somebody in a way where you can partner, do it. I think it would be great to have a partner that you're able to drive, and maybe solo is not the only option or the best option.
I say it's good that we started teaming up and getting that baseline going before we got out of the school. So that way we can carry that over onto the road, and then from there start building that foundation for however long that we're going to be teaming up.
Is the idea that I won't be alone on the road as a new driver, which it could be scary. So you know that you have somebody who feels the same way as you, so you guys can actually help each other out.
Yeah, absolutely, because there are going to be those times when you're going from point A to point B and there's nothing out there. So it's good to have someone that you can kind of chat with so you don't get bored.